Hi, it's Dr. Russell Libby from Virginia Pediatric Group, and I want to talk to you for a few moments about expectant moms and dads and new moms and dads and their worries about the COVID virus. Of course, there will be some moms who have had the virus or actively do have the virus at the time of their delivery, and they would be certainly justified in being worried. The one thing I can reassure you is that we've seen very few problems in newborns being born to moms who are actively sick with COVID. And in fact, it seems that the outcomes are generally quite good. Certainly it creates a status of that mom when she's in the hospital delivering that baby that makes it a very cautious and very careful sort of thing, and certainly would be talked through by the hospital and your obstetrician prior to delivery. But once that baby's delivered, that baby can be examined, that baby can go home with you, and that baby can breastfeed. In that first couple of weeks, certainly there is a significant need for us to see that baby, weigh that baby. I would suggest that if you can, get an infant scale prior to delivery so that you can monitor if there is an issue about feeding and about weight in the first couple of weeks of life. We do have a lactation consultant who can do telemedicine visits for you to help you with your breastfeeding once you get home. The hospital's not going to want you to stay there very long if you've been exposed, or even if you haven't, just because nobody wants to be at risk in a setting where there might be exposure or contagiousness. So you need to consider talking to us, your clinicians at Virginia Pediatric Group. You can do a telemedicine consult or a visit with your baby. We certainly will see you in the office, and we have specific arrangements for times when well babies come in without any threat of exposure. And we have times when we would have kids who might come from a family where there has been no exposure. However it might be, you need to talk to us and we'll set things up for you and make it as easy and as accessible as possible. So give us a call, 703-573-2432, and we will take care of your needs. Thank you.
Check out our website at vapg.com, where you will find out all kinds of information about your children through educational resources, videos, as well as learn about our offices and how to connect with us.